Hey, travel enthusiasts! If you're looking for your next adventure, let me take you on a whirlwind tour of one of the most beautiful countries in the world, Italy. From ancient ruins to stunning landscapes, Italy has it all. So, buckle up, because here are the must-visit places in Italy you just can't miss. First stop, Rome. The Eternal City is a treasure trove of history. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, where gladiators once fought for glory. And don't forget the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient engineering. Did you know it's been standing for almost 2,000 years? Piazza Navona is another must-see, with its stunning fountains and vibrant atmosphere. And of course, the Spanish Steps, where you can relax and take in the bustling city life. Don't miss the Trevi Fountain, where tradition says throwing a coin will ensure your return to Rome. It's a magical spot where wishes are made and dreams come true. Of course, a visit to Vatican City is a must. St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, with Michelangelo's masterpiece ceilings, will leave you speechless. Next, let's drift over to Tuscany. Rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns. Tuscany is pure magic. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Siena and take in the stunning Piazza del Campo. Or maybe you prefer a relaxing afternoon sipping wine in Chianti. Oh, and the food. Fresh pasta, truffles, and of course, the famous Florentine steak. Speaking of Florence, this city is the heart of the Renaissance. Art lovers, this is your paradise. The Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces by Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci. And you can't miss Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery. Stroll across the iconic Ponte Vecchio Bridge and soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere. Florence is also home to the stunning Florence Cathedral, with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi. The interior is just as breathtaking, with intricate details and beautiful frescoes. Now, let's head to Pisa. Yes, it's home to the Leaning Tower, but there's more to see here. The Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, lives up to its name with stunning architectural wonders. Climb the tower for a unique view, and don't forget to snap that classic holding up the tower photo. Venice, the city of canals, is next on our list. Imagine gliding through the narrow waterways in a gondola, passing by centuries-old buildings. St. Mark's Square is the heart of Venice, with its magnificent basilica and the towering campanile. And if you time it right, you might catch the famous Venice Carnival. The city's unique charm will stay with you forever. Venice is a city in northeastern Italy and the capital of the Veneto region. It is built on a group of 118 small islands that are separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. Venice is renowned for the beauty of its setting, its architecture, and its artworks. The entire city is listed as a World Heritage Site, along with its lagoon. While Venice is famous for its canals and historic sites, it is also close to some beautiful beaches. The Lido di Venezia is a popular beach destination just a short boat ride from the city. It offers a long stretch of sandy beach and a variety of water sports. Another nearby beach is the Cavallino Treporti, known for its clean waters and family-friendly atmosphere. These beaches provide a perfect escape from the bustling city and a chance to relax by the sea. These are just a few of the incredible places you need to visit in Italy. Each destination offers unique experiences that you'll never forget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. And remember, Italy is not just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Ciao.